Voice of my people, where culture speaks, truth echoes, and hope rises.
Hello, welcome to the Voice of My People. My name is Emmanuel Lanya, and I have with me two very important personalities. They're going to join me as we have this conversation in this episode of Speak Out. I have with me the capacity woman leader of Indigo community, Dr. Constance Onyema. You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
I also have with me G, the lady with the red cap, the State Secretary General, Igbo Community, River State, Honorable Chinyere Onyeko.
Thank you for having me, sir.
Today we're just going to be saying, I know this mostly happens to a lot of persons out there. We're in the season of love. People are expressing love in different ways, but we are calling on people to speak up and speak out. Don't die in silence. Don't keep your stories to yourself. A lot of people are just there. They cry at night. They keep away because of experiences, things that have happened. Sometimes you even see many of them don't wish to come out publicly, and they don't want to even engage because they've been burnt different relationships they've been in, and we're calling on people to come up, speak up, tell your story. Somebody can have something to say that will change your narrative. So now, woman leader, I know you are leading a lot of women in the Igbo community. These women have different stories. Women every day go through a lot. Now we want to say, well, what do you think? Sometimes people see class, they see different things, they just withdraw. They don't tell any stories. They have experiences. What do you think about it?
Thank you very much. One of the major things that makes people to withdraw from the crowd or from the entire public is low self-esteem. People need to be bold, know yourself, know where you are coming from, have a target for yourself and where you're going to. You don't need to be measuring or comparing yourself with anybody. That is one of the major reasons why people die in silence. When you are free and take yourself the way you are, the way your God has created you, the environment you found yourself or the family background you find yourself, you should be free to interact and identify with people all around you, to share your experiences and your ideas. By so doing, you'll be able to gather more ideas and more knowledge that will help you to improve in whatever situation you find yourself. So when people stay without mixing up, it's a very bad thing to them. So my advice is that people should learn to speak out no matter what happens. No matter what happens, have a confidence. Find someone that you share your stories or your problems with. Though most of them feel bad, by the time they share to their best friend will have another best friend, and another best friend will have another best friend. But for that reason, some of them are scared from sharing their opinions. But just say it, no matter what the person has in mind. As the Spirit leads you, we all believe that we're children of God. And for you to have confidence in a particular person, you have regard for that person. Just open up and share your problem. By the time you finish sharing, whatever negative impact the person is making with what you have shared with her is left for her, not for you. But just speak out, and you must gain one thing from sharing that idea or knowledge with the person. In the terms of women we are talking about, I lead a lot of women in River State. Most women, I will say, we are all married women. A lot of women are passing through abusive marriages. It's a major challenge. And one of the major things, again, that you can find that causes abusive marriage is comparison. By the time you are not contented with what God has given to you, you are there comparing your husband with another person's husband. You're there comparing. There's one that is flowing now. Everybody wants to belong. There is a program going on, Ashebi stuff, Ashebi Wahala. Everybody wants to belong. A platform. They want to go there. They want to do this. They're wearing this and they're wearing that. And you cannot afford to join them. Why join them? Before you know it, you will lose control and use some kind words where your husband is. And abusive words attracts abusive marriage. To me, I have to advise our women, be contented with what you have. hang your coat. Before they say hang your coat according to your size. Now sew that coat according to the material you have. Please, by the time you are okay with what you have, check yourself, check the background you are, and stop being idle. Majority of the women are they claim to be housewives. Housewife does not necessarily mean that you'll be there without doing anything. You leave the whole responsibility for a man to be taken care of. How do you expect that man to be happy? Of course, the man will not be happy. The country itself has disappointed us. The society has failed us. So it's the duty of everybody. All hands must be on deck for what? For the family to move ahead. So as a woman, you need to have something doing. Everybody must not be there in the political setting. Everybody must not work in shell. Everybody must not be in the lecturing class. Everybody, God beautify the world. People must sell granules. People must sell these crayfish we are using to cook. So find something for yourself and keep yourself busy. By so doing, there is dignity in labor. You will have every respect that you needed from a husband if you involve yourself in doing one thing or the other to put food on your table. That is my humble suggestion, sir.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. SSG, a woman leader just said something about God created every one of us beautiful.
Yeah.
And she talked about complex and how to handle some of it. Now, what's your take about dying in silence?
All right.
People tend not to speak out because of other people's opinion of them, and how people will misinterpret them, where people will place them because of what they are going through. And I want to tell us, when you keep quiet, you're shutting yourself up, and you're opening your door for depression. The truth is that nothing that is happening to you that has not happened to the other person before. So your ability to speak will give you room to receive help. Ability to express yourself, like our doc said, there are people. There must be somebody you must confide in. No matter what it is, no matter how the world will feel about it, it is your story. It is my story. Whatever you think or interpret is none of my business. Because one, I am speaking because I want to get help. I am speaking because I want to be free. Let me tell you the danger of depression. Depression will shut you down. Depression will make you think there is no hope. Depression will make you think you are the only one going through what you're going through. And it will kill you. It's a deadly killer. So speak out whatever it is. Every one of us, be it in marriage, every one of us are going through one or two things in marriage. There's no perfect marriage anywhere. So don't think that when you speak out, when you talk about your story, people will laugh at you. There's no problem. But let me assure you, every one of us, your ability to speak out. And another thing is that people speak to the wrong people. Know who you speak to is important. It's not about speaking out. Who do you speak to? Now, there are people you will speak to, they will kill you more than this, they will reduce you more than the stage you are in when you spoke to them. So know who to speak to. Get help from the right source. But the most important thing, please speak out. Don't die in silence. You are not alone in whatever you think you're going through. That's it.
Woman leader, let me find out. You talked about leading a lot of women. Do you have such group or place where people can really talk, who they can talk to? But I know down the grassroots, they might not know who to talk to. In Igbo community or in the groups you lead, we have Nigeria, we have counselors. We have such things.
Yes, in my group I have the counseling unit. There are women that God have endowed naturally with wisdom of counseling. More especially the marriage. Marriage is meant to be enjoyed, not to be endured. A lot of women are enduring marriages and it's not supposed to be. So we have a counseling unit. Have a counseling unit that we use to checkmate behaviors that relate to depression, marital
issues. My honorable, you have a bedroom clinic. That's a very good one.
The
So
relationship
how can somebody assess this clinic? There is how can they assess you? Because one of the things that are really affecting our society today is issues that have to do with the marriage, this bedroom clinic. People don't talk about it. People can't even talk about it because everybody has something they hide.
People don't talk about it, even the churches don't even help us. They don't talk about these things. And they make it difficult for people to come out to express themselves. So bedroom clinic is a relationship platform. We are both the married, you come in, you receive counseling, you receive direction, you are able to express yourself the way it is, and you will receive help. We're on social media, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram. We're there. Bedroom clinic. That is the and you can reach us on phone number that's played on the phone. So you can call at any time. We are open to hear your story. We are open to connect you to people that have the same story with you. You'll be able to know how they went through, they navigated through their issues and came out well. And there's a community of love where you can, people will tell you, I've been there and I'm out and better. You can be better. I think that is what people want to hear when they are going through. They want to see somebody that have gone through